Okay, so we come to this question which has a sector of a circle. Okay, before we even do this question, I've reminded you of highlighting keywords. They need perimeter and they need area. These are the formulas that I've written down. So, given that the perimeter is 7 cm, can you first form an equation for the perimeter? Okay, using the perimeter formula that I have, my theta is 7 minus 2r over r. Okay, we continue from theta. Okay, we still have to find the area of the sector. So, I know my area is this. According to the formula, I just have to sub in theta. Okay, simplify, you should be able to show half r times 7 minus 2r. When I see this maximum area, I will think of maximum point, which means first derivative is 0. Okay, according to part 1, okay, this is the area formula. So it means your first derivative, dA over dr, should be equal to 0. One thing is, we need to prove it's a maximum. Okay, that will be a marking point. Okay, even though this is maximum, you still have to prove it's maximum. And later, we will find the actual area. Okay, you see what I do? I will first simplify my A. Okay, you don't have to use product rule because after you expand, now it's easier to differentiate. I can just use the power rule. And later, I will equate dA over dr equals to 0 to find the stationary value. So after you equate the first derivative is 0, you will find value of r. My value of r is 7 over 4. Okay, after you find r, you will sub it back into the equation of A, you find maximum area. But guys, I'm not done yet. This is a 4 marks. Where's the 1 mark going to? Remember the last mark, as I said, you need to prove. If you don't prove, you're missing out that 1 mark. So how I'm going to prove is second derivative test. Because it's so easy to differentiate this. Okay? So let's differentiate and get the second derivative first. Hence, when my 1 mark goes to, okay, you will prove your maximum. Okay? Find second derivative, -2 automatically is a negative number. Okay, if you don't use second derivative, your first derivative test will look like this. Okay, of course, maybe I will modify a bit. It's not x or dy dx. What should it be instead? It should be r and dA over dr. But it will still give you maximum. Prove maximum. Okay, so this is the end of the video.